Hello, I'm Juha Saarinen, a New Zealand technology journalist. Today I'm talking to Tony Baird, Vodafone New Zealand's Chief Technology Officer, about their 5G rollout. Hello Tony, thanks for talking to me today. First off, I think congratulations are in order.
Yes, look, it's been exceptional. This week we launched 5G. It's the first 5G service in New Zealand, and we are significantly ahead of our competitors in this space. And look, it's been a wonderful journey over the last year to get the 5G up and running.
Oh, that's amazing. So whereabouts is Vodafone now with the rollout of the 5G network?
So we announced earlier in the year that we were going to do 100 sites across New Zealand. So that's Auckland, Wellington, Christchurch and Queenstown. And then in addition, we did another 8 cell sites on wheels so that we have some flexibility to move sites around the country.
Just so people understand and to get some context, why is 5G so important for Vodafone?
So 5G is incredibly important for Vodafone New Zealand. We saw immediately the immediate application of fixed wireless access, where we could actually provide wireline fibre-like speeds to the home, and that is the key business driver for this business case. But in addition, we wanted to be an innovative leader in New Zealand with enhanced mobile broadband, be the first to market with 5G. But beyond that, on the horizons of the future, things like network slicing for emergency services and other dedicated applications certainly comes into the picture, and gaming and virtual reality and all the other things that come through, including especially in the case of New Zealand, where we are a long way from the main trading hubs of Asia and Europe and America, and having a really robust broadband service across the country is very important, and wireless for our demographics and our geography is a very key component of that for things like rural productivity with IoT and other applications.
So who are you working with on the 5G rollout, and what challenges have you faced and may still be facing on it?
So we've been working with Nokia now on wireless technologies. We were the first with 2G, we were the first with 3G, we were the first with 4G, and now we're the first with 5G. So we've been incredibly loyal and had an amazing partnership with Nokia now for well over 20 years, and we see that going forward into the future. So any program like 5G or any radio rollout, or any technology rollout for that matter, has a number of challenges. This program we kicked off in February, but really didn't gain traction until June when we had the full business case developed. And Taigen Govenda, my head of radio, and myself on the 10th of June went to Finland. We met with Tommi Uito, the head of radio for Nokia globally, and we had a very productive set of workshops. We went up to Ulo and saw the overall development shop, and at that point we put together a plan that only 6 months later we go live. So 10th of December, live. So it's a pretty aggressive program, and throughout that we've had an immense amount of support from the Nokia team around the world, and we very much appreciate it.
All right, so the million-dollar question, how are you going to make money out of 5G? What use cases are you focusing on at the moment?
Yeah, so our first use cases, as we talked before, were fixed wireless access. We've been working with Nokia on the fast mile piece of customer premise equipment, which is the CPE for 5G. We did a free trial of that at Wellington Airport last week, which just showed customers how you'd get 600 plus megabits per second over a Wi-Fi service with 5G backhaul. And obviously with the launch of 5G now, there's a range of handsets available as well. So enhanced mobile broadband and fixed wireless access are the 2 use cases we've launched with. But we're also working with a number of partners. For instance, New Zealand Police, looking at police applications, one of the banks, BNZ, also, and a waste management company looking at how we can use IoT. So a range of applications really in the business sector.
So you just launched 5G, you're in the first phase. Looking ahead, what's coming up next?
So over the next few years we have a pretty exciting roadmap, both in coverage with over 1,500 macro cell sites and a large range of small cells being deployed, but also we have a very healthy roadmap on feature set. So we've launched with the the massive MIMO, which is massive multiple input, multiple output antennas. These are active antennas that allow you to do beamforming and traffic management. And we're also launching with the Release 15 feature set, which is effectively 4G non-standalone mode for 5G, where you anchor your 5G network off your 4G capability. So that's the evolved packet core and other core aspects of the 4G network. Beyond that, we'll be going to 5G core and standalone mode, and we're looking at Release 16. As soon as that's available, Release 16 from GSMA gives us a number of additional features like network slicing, dynamic power, dynamic traffic, and other management features. So a very healthy roadmap over the next 2 to 3 years of features.
And how does Nokia fit into this future 5G strategy?
Nokia fits into this as our number one partner and number one key supplier for radio technology and, in fact, the majority of our network technology.
Well, Tony, thanks so much for talking to us today, and good luck with the ongoing rollout.
It's been really nice talking today, and I'd just like to thank the Vodafone team, the Nokia team, and all the other partners that have made this successful. I mean, in 6 months, we've gone from a concept to an active network and a live network. We've got a healthy rollout and roadmap for features. Couldn't ask for more, really. Looking forward to a great Christmas. Thank you.